Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. Note that 7 colors. Artboard width 900 and height 500 pixels. Create rectangle. Gradient. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Gradient. Pick up color code 1 and 2. Type any text as you want. Select any font. Fill none. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Add gradient. Click white. Pick up color code 3. Stroke 3 point. Copy stroke 1. Pick up color code 3, 7, and 4. Copy fill 1. Fill 2. Pick up color code 3, 7, and 4. Add transform effect. Horizontal and vertical 1 pixels. Add offset path 11 pixels. Fill 3. Pick up color code 4, 5, AB 6. Change transform effect vertical 8 pixels. Fill 4. Pick up 7 color. Change transform effect horizontal subtract 5 and vertical 25 pixels. Opacity multiply. Add Gaussian blur 10 pixels. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like that, then subscribe, like and share.